Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to Robinswood Hill, which is around 3 miles away from my house, which takes about 20 minutes time to get there by bike. So I've been to this place before. This is a very nice place for a hangout with your friends or with your family, kids. So enjoy the ride now. We'll see what's there at Robinswood Hill. So this is Robinswood Hills Park in Gloucester. So you can see the entire Gloucester city from here. It's really amazing. So you can see down there is the entire Gloucester city. It's amazing. So this is Robinswood Hill. So this is in Gloucester. So you can see the entire Gloucester city from here. So I came with my bike. So this is basically a hilly area. So I had to work hard to get here. So this is the view. Switch the camera. So this is the entire view of the Gloucester from the Robinswood Hill. So this is basically a park. So I'll go inside the park. So this is the parking area. I'll go inside the park and we'll look around. So this is basically a good hangout place in summer. So you can do barbecue. You can come with your children. So it has amazing children's park, and this area has multiple trails. So you can go for a long walk with your family member and kids, or you can go for a bike ride as well. So it would be difficult because it's a very steep. There would be very steep hill. So but if you enjoy bike riding, you will definitely love it. So this is a very good place. So today around the temperature is around 17 degrees. So it's a nice warm weather. So today is the Saturday as well. So that's why I decided to come here. This is the area. I'll go inside the park and we'll show you guys what's there inside. So I'm going inside the park. I'm finding a way out from this parking area. You can come with your barbecue stuff and you can enjoy the summer and sun here with your family, kids. And it has a restaurant as well. So this is the kids section, kids area. You can see there are lots of families are enjoying with their kids. It's a nice place. Thank you. So I'll go up the hill. Look at this area. This is amazing. Amazing. And let me show you some more interesting thing here. So you can see there are lots of small benches here, but those are not ordinary benches. So this is a lizard made out of wood. This is basically a bench. So there are multiple such benches are there. So this is, you can see, it's a jellyfish, and down there is another seashell. You can see there are little ships. Those are very cute. that view. Nice sunny weather. People doing barbecue here. It's very windy, so this sort of windy area is not good for barbecue actually. See the view from here. Sorry.
You can put up with
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon as well so that you can get notifications of all of my upcoming videos. I will try to bring more videos of my bike rides and upcoming tours, so I hope you will like it. So please subscribe my channel so that you don't miss my videos.